Imagine being able to see the planet's changes as they happen, in real time. That's what Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, make possible. GIS technology is revolutionizing how we monitor climate change, giving scientists and communities tools to understand our world like never before. With GIS, experts can map environmental shifts from shrinking glaciers to rising sea levels and visualize these trends over time. It's also helping track deforestation, showing exactly where forests are being lost so efforts can be focused where they're needed most. Weather patterns are another area where GIS shines, helping analyze everything from temperature changes to storm paths. And when disasters strike, GIS data guides emergency response, helping get help to the right places faster. By turning huge amounts of complex data into clear, actionable maps, GIS is giving us hope and direction in the fight against climate change. With these tools, we're better equipped to protect our planet and plan for a more sustainable future.